Have you been wondering how to use your Android tab to stream directly to TikTok Studio? Because you see most people using an iPad and you've been trying to connect your Android tab but you've been finding it difficult. This guide will actually show you how you can connect your Android tab to TikTok Live Studio and start streaming. So once you open your TikTok Live Studio app, at the right hand side of your screen, you'll find that you need to log in your account first of all, in order to access this page. So at the left hand side of your screen, you'll find add source. Click on the add source. Then on the drop down option, you find game capture, camera, display capture, etc. So we are connecting our Android tablet to our TikTok Studio. So we click on Cast Android. This can work for your mobile Android device or your tablet or whatever Android device you're connecting. Now I'll click on Cast Android. Once I click on Cast Android, first I need to connect my Android tablet to my TikTok Studio, which is my computer. I'll connect it to my computer. Once I connect that to my computer, I'll click on Add. Once I click Add, you'll find out on the drop-down option, you see wired casting and wireless casting. So we're using wired casting. Now you can see that I've connected my Android device. Now you find use USB cable and install drivers. Now it is showing green tick because my Android tablet is connected already to my computer. So what I will do next is I'll come to the TikTok app on my device. So I'll come to the TikTok app on my device. Once I come to the TikTok app on my device, click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you go to live. Once you go to live, you scroll to the right hand side. Most times you might not find it for the first time. You go back again, then you click on live. You click on the plus sign, then you click on live. Then once you click on live, you see Live Studio. The Live Studio, on top of the Live Studio, you see monitor link, then you see casting. Click on casting on your Android device. Once you click on casting, then you find wired casting and wireless casting also. So you click on wired casting since we're using wired casting. Then an option is going to pop on your screen. Then you find out, you see start recording or casting with TikTok Studio. Then you click on start now. Once I click start now, then I'll come back to my computer and click add source. Once that is done, your Android tablet is connected to your TikTok Studio already. Now you can go live on the TikTok Live Studio app with your Android tablet. If this tip is helpful to you, kindly like, share and subscribe.